A question like this, you first need to state what is event A, what is event B. So what is event A? Can someone tell me? People who like sushi. What's event B? People who like nachos. Has anyone not heard or done a two-way table before? So this is a two-way table. We put event A in one box. We put event B in another box. So this is going to show us the same sort of data as the Venn diagram, but in a table form. We then put in another box the complement of A, or the not A, and the complement of B, or we call it not B. In each of these boxes is the intersection between the two things. So what's the intersection of A and B? What are the people that like sushi and nachos? The intersection. How many are there? So we write the number 6 in that box. So that's the intersection of A and B. What's the intersection of people that like nachos, so B, and people that don't like sushi? The intersection of A, not, and B. The number that like nachos, which is 14, minus the number that like sushi and nachos. So it's 8. So there's 8 people that only like nachos. They don't like sushi. We took away the 6 from the whole group of nachos. Next one, the people that like sushi but don't like nachos. So there's 12 people that like sushi and there's 6 that like sushi and nachos. So we take 6 from 12. You got 6 left over. The last box in the middle, the intersection of people that don't like sushi and don't like nachos. How many people don't like both? So you minus all of these away from what number? 30. So 30 minus all of that, you've got 10 people left that don't like either. That's the intersection of those two. So then in the two-way table, add the numbers together to get the bottom number. So this is 12 people like sushi. 6 of them like nachos, 6 of them don't like nachos. In here, 8 of those like nachos, 10 of them don't like nachos. In this one, how many people like nachos? 14, 8 plus 6. And then we add these together to get the total amount of people. How many people are there that I surveyed? 30. 14 plus 16, 12 plus 18 gives us 30. So that's called a two-way table. Probability of sushi. How many people like sushi altogether? 12. How many people total? Number 2, the probability of only sushi. How many people only like sushi? People that only like sushi, it's 6. Last one, how many people don't like nachos or sushi? So that's the intersection of the intersection of not A and not B, which is 10. And obviously you would simplify all of these fractions like we did yesterday.